What's up, YouTube? Today we are reviewing Scentbird, and he has his. He ordered his first, actually, and then I have mine. Mine is the, well, of course, his is the male version. Mine's the female version. We're gonna do a review. I'm gonna have him open his up first.
Why gotta open mine up?
Cause I'm talking. I'm gonna have him open his up first, and then I'm gonna open up mine because we're gonna save the best for last.
I open mine up first yet, since you don't wanna open it up. You know what I'm saying? They make sure you can get in this motherfucker. Well, straight out the package, you get some cards or whatever. Scentbird cards. I guess giving you like I don't know. I guess how to do it, how to spray it or something. Put it in like a little case that it come in. I don't know, but this one I got the Versace Euros or whatever. This kind is the Versace Euros. I'll let y'all know if it smells good or not. Huh? Mine smell better than yours. How much you want to bet? Well, how do Scentbird work?
Oh, yours did come in the case.
Yeah, mine came in the case.
But you wanted to steal mine. Talking about you gonna steal mine, so it came in the case.
Well, it come in the case or whatever. Say Scentbird on it, and all you do is turn it or whatever, and you can spray it. You should be able to spray it, right? Where the hole let the spray it at?
Right here. Let me see. Cause you unlock it. This is to unlock. Well, yeah, there you go.
There we go. Test this.
Ooh, that smell. That I barely even sprayed it, and I could smell that.
Oh yeah, it smells good. It do smell good.
Let me smell.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna give that one.
What's your rating?
Well, this is our first one, so I'm not gonna give it a 10 out of 10. I'm probably gonna give it an 8.5. 8.5 out of 10, but it does smell good.
Yeah, about an 8. Yeah. All right, you next. Tell them how Scentbird works. Like, how does Scentbird even work?
Well, you go to www.scentbird.com, or you could download the app either in your Google Play Store or your App Store on Apple. And you sign up for an account and then do a subscription with them. And then you could either get 1, 2, or 3 cents a month. And it all depends on the price and what you want. But it's pretty easy, simple. Just put your name, address, birthday in there, and they will send you something like this every month with a new fragrance of your choice. And I am going to go ahead and open up mine. I honestly don't even know what I picked for mine, but I don't even think I picked. I think they picked for me.
I think you choose your own.
That you do choose, but I don't think I didn't choose mine on time. I don't know what they sent me, honestly. So again, I got what he got. Wrong one.
It's basically the card showing you how to unlock it and lock it back.
So I got Essence.
Essence by.
This is the fragrance I got. When I did what type of fragrance I wanted kind of like a sexy date night kind of fragrance. So let's see if they got it right.
How many you get? You get 2 left?
No, I just got one.
Oh, that's the case?
Yeah. Same case you got. Mine's like already open.
Can you smell it? Let me smell it.
It doesn't smell bad.
Yeah, it don't smell bad. And I get it about a. Let me smell it one more time. It's straight.
I give it about, I would say a 7.5 out of 10.
Yeah, about a 7.
Because you could smell it, but
it's not as strong.
It's not as strong and it's not as potent as everything else. And I'm pretty sure I didn't say that word right. Well.
You didn't.
But since we're doing this, I keep going to the wrong camera. This is what it looks like. It gives you the unlock and the lock. Unlock, lock. So if you don't want nobody messing with your stuff, lock it. If you want somebody to use it, unlock it. But this is our perfumes and colognes. This is yours. Keep that over there so I don't be spraying yours on me. And we are going to go to our date night. And we are going to use our new little fragrances or whatever. You see, we're ready, dressed up. And we're going to go. You could finish it off.
But if y'all like seeing videos like these, reviews on colognes, because it's a subscription every month. So if y'all want to know what's the best fragrances, the perfumes and colognes, whatever, through Scentbird, we will be reviewing every one we get. So.
And mind you, a regular bottle of what we got is over $100, and they give you a little like tester for $10.99 a month.
I don't know how many ounces. How many ounces you think this is? They don't tell you. I don't think. You probably have to open
I would say it's probably like a good little.
How you open it up?
Oh dang! How you do that? I guess this is how it looks like opened up. It's like a good little, I would say, 5-10 ounce little bottle. But
But like I said, if you like these videos, like, comment, subscribe, share with your cousins, your aunties, your uncles.
And your dog.
And your dog, you know what I'm saying? But, all right, YouTube.